fly through the earth. I'm ready. Let's go.
Good morning.
Good morning, Kiio. Kiio, can you help me record today's plan?
All right, I'll jot down today's schedule for you.
Hey, bro. What are you up to?
Josepher, don't play. Please, pick up quickly.
Absolutely stunning. Guaranteed to turn heads.
How do you like my today's outfits?
I don't think it worked. Let me help you put together an outfit. Looks great. Hey, hi. Have a good day. I received an email. Would you like me to read it to you?
Reply to the email.
Sure thing. I'm editing it for you right now.
Kiio, broadcast email, please.
This spot is so far away from you, huh? Let me work with you.
Kiio, can you please broadcast today's news?
All right, I'm summarizing today's news for you.
Kiio, can you please report today's work progress and check the reminders?
Your progress has been tracked for you. Remember to drink plenty of water, okay?
Kiio, what's the weather outside?
Don't worry, I'll check this week's weather for you right away. Scared the crap out of Kiio! Hey, I think we're gonna get along.